am Janet Graziani, Developer Advocate at Teradata. It is that time of the year once again, and I am very excited to remind you to mark your calendars for Possible. Possible is Teradata's annual Trusted AI and Data Conference happening in sunny Los Angeles from October 6th through the 8th. This event brings together data analysts, scientists, engineers, and IT professionals from all over the world for 3 days of learning, sharing insights, and networking. Join us for hands-on workshops with Teradata experts, customers, partners, including CSPs, and modern data stack tools. You don't want to miss our lightning talks, which are put on by our developer community. These are short educational sessions, and of course, our meetups and networking events. RSVP, secure your spot by scanning the QR code that appears on your screen. Thank you so much, and I am excited to see you there.